तब तक विश करते रहेंगे सब।
Now we will start from 12:35. After 1 or 2 minutes, we will start. I think 50 teachers are here, so now we can start. Okay, ma'am. Now you start, please.
Afternoon, and Vice President, Coordinator Ma'am, and other all teachers. Today I will discuss on topic joyful mathematics. Joyful mathematics. Joyful mathematics. when we when we are doing things, when we are doing things with la- lightness, it is an enjoyment. But when we are doing the same things with dislike, it is a punishment. Joyful mathematics. Innovative teaching and intuitive use of the technology, educational mathematics, activity-based teaching, connecting mathematics with day-to-day life. Innovative teaching is where good teachers are inventive and creative, where they continue to discover and derive new methods and connected to ensure that a student always gets a base learning. Creative, innovative learning phase. Mindset, self-reflection, ask Open-ended would create flexible learning environment. Personality matter. Create a place for all learners. Choose problem finding. Integrating of the art. Integrating of art with integrative of art with other subjects means that art become the medium of teaching and learning. Drawing, painting, dance, drama, music become an integral part of the classroom. So, implies dropped in an art integrated art integration of the art with other subjects means that art becomes the learning that drawing, painting, dance, drama, music become an integral part of the classroom room process implies dropping an art integrated curriculum and where are found because the basis of the classroom learning. Art integration engages a student and offer a variety of ways to construct and demonstrate under assembly. Art integration help teachers rethink the role they play and their relationship with students. Art integration help teachers rethink the role they play and their relationship with students. The goal of integration, the art is to increase knowledge of general subjects and understanding and appreciation of the fine performance art and some activities. I will do some activity with the students. Doing the activity class, suppose I give the 6 matchstick to each student of the class. Then tell them, play and tell the student arrange the matchstick in this uh, way that the sum is equal to 6. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. I find this activity using arrange these matchsticks in different order, different way. Like this activity, a student will learn addition in 3 methods. This is the number from 1 to 6. And the first is the year. How many years? 1. And how many elephants? 2 elephants. And how many sheep? 3 sheep. Here are the 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 animals. And this is joyful learning. Joyful learning is thrilling as it will often natural and useful in mathematical knowledge is structured, inherent, and part of the life. It is a part of traditional interaction from generation to generation. Mathematics teachers are expected to develop idea to motivate a student by joyful activity, discovering, exploring, constructing, designing, fitting a strategy, or the solving problem that are wrapped in mathematics, games, puzzles, and hands-on activities. Joyful learning means positive emotional state of learning, a state of experience achieved when an individual or group thinks of satisfaction. And I will do the some activity. This is the perception topic. Hobby. Suppose I give 9 spherical ball to each student. Tell them to remove 4 spherical balls. Then a student will remove 4 balls from 9 spherical balls. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 ball left. Again, I tell the student remove 5 balls of 9 spherical ball. 9 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 ball left. Like this way, I can teach the subtraction to the student and clear the concept of subtraction. This part of the joyful learning method. First, counting, measuring, designing, locating, playing, exploring, playing, examining, execution of mathematical computation taking place naturally. Children learn mathematical naturally. And this mathematical thought and understand the world and provides an effective way of thinking, mental discipline. Math encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, of abstract or conceptual thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Mathematical achievement is the competency shown by the mathematical achievement is the competency shown by the student in subject in subject mathematics. Measure is the score on an achievement in the mathematics. And I will do the some activity. Doing doing the activity, suppose I take 5 multiples and 10 problems in 10 geometrical shapes. Some students make angle, curve, triangle, a square, rectangle. In this activity, students are doing art activity. Suppose the make triangle. I ask them in triangle, how many lines in a triangle? Yes, that's 3 lines. How many corner in a triangle? 3 corners. Give me some example of the triangle. If you see you see in daily life. Example, chapati, pizza, sandwich, and samosa, etc. A student with this example, they use in common life. By this activity, a student develops their basic of the theoretical state, which develops the art of
हाँ
daily life.
हाँ
Triangle, a square,
हाँ,
rectangle,
सबसे पहले से ही है हाँ
reasoning and logical thinking, mathematics. Logic is a way of life. The
क्यों
learner can enjoy the mental happiness using logical thinking and reasoning
क्यों
powers dealing with their day-to-day experience and issues. And logical reasoning. Logical reasoning in the combination with other activities is an important aspect a student use during all times of daily situation. It helps a student make important decisions. And logic is the science of intelligence, argument, and reasoning. Critical thinking is the process of evaluation which use logic to set it straight. They are essential to make good decisions and harness sound relief sound ourselves. And I do some activities I will repeated subtraction, addition, multiplication. I will give the student three buckets and nine spherical balls. Tell the student, tell the student drop this ball in each bucket. Then a student will take one by one ball and two balls. Inside the bucket, balls should be equal in number. Then I will tell the student count the number, count the number of the ball inside the bucket. Inside the bucket, a student will count the ball and tell each bucket has three balls. First ball is equal to three balls plus second ball is equal to two and third bucket is equal to three. Thereby the total number of the ball is equal to nine. 3 multiplied 3 is equal to 9. It is just basically addition multiplication. Then abstract concept into concept. Mathematics becomes complete as fun. Informal learning of mathematical abstraction is the process of considering rules, methods, and concepts from their solutions to real-world phenomena of the circumstances. And I will do different activities outside of the student. I will with you. I draw a circle in the playground by chalk. I form by one one by one, a student from inside the circle. Then tell them if you are inside the circle, it is inferior part. If you turn out of the circle when you are in the top. Like this play method, I can clear the interior or inferior concept of the then I divide the teacher into one group in interior concept of the system and other group out like of exterior
दोनों
or
रख दिए हैं, इसको सुन ले रहे हैं.
vision of mathematics. Learn to enjoy mathematics rather than fear. Mathematics is more than formula and mechanical procedure. Think communication and work through mathematics. To abstraction, to receive relationship, to see a structure, to reason how to do it. And mathematics is the study of measurement, property, and relationship of quantity using number and symbol. Problem solving is the key to being able to do all aspects of mathematics, and it also better understanding of problem at hand and some activity. This is the activity. I tell the student to join the point, give enough paper. I give them 9 points, tell them, join this point without lifting the pen. A student will think about this pattern. They will try to join the point with lifting the pen by thinking. They succeed to join the points. The culture of mathematics learning evolves. First, to foster mathematical awareness, a skill building, learning by doing experience, learning with the help of content object, verify various property through different activity, club activity to celebrate mathematics, remedial instruction and enrichment program. Mathematics is an important part of learning for all children in the early year and receiving a good ground in math is an essential life skill. Numeracy in it helps us skills such as problem solving, understanding and using shape and measure the developing. Everyday activity like counting, looking at shapes, and taking about size can help children develop yearly numeracy and number skill. A student can build children's numeracy and the number skills through play. Play move math. Instruction beyond memory. More expensive understanding of the mathematics encourage a student to talk, think, reason, and wonder as they move through problem. And sense of curiosity, even for simple concept, engage a student in the playful and some activity. And I will divide a student in 5 groups and give them 5 Ludo. Tell them to play the Ludo. A student will play the Ludo in group. They will play and count the number like this, count the number and develop the counting ability. In group, They will discuss the number and repeating the count. Like this, the concept of addition will clear during this activity. Joyful mathematics. Joyful learning of the mathematics start from questions. Provide encourage enough the time to think. You are not the answer key. Say yes, appreciate a student's idea. Not knowing is not failure. Make them understand. No, remember, not remember. Inspire. And this is the activity Roman number. During this activity, I will the 5 ice cream stick to each student and tell them to play. And from Roman number by using 5 ice cream stick. They will join the make the Roman number first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Like this play method, they can write by themselves, and by learning, by doing, they can easily learn the Roman number. Mathematics teachers are expected to develop idea to motivate a students by joyful activity such as discovering, exploring, constructing, designing, setting a strategy, and solving problems that are wrapped in mathematics games, puzzles, and hands-on activity. Joyful learning means positive intellectual and emotional state of learner. This state or experience achieved when an individual or a group is deriving pleasure and a sense of satisfaction from the process of learning. A strategy for the joyful learning of the mathematics. Learning occurs through play rather than through dedicated communications, encouraging children to use language to freely express on thought and goal of the mathematics learning, numeracy, number operation, measurement, decimal, and the percentage. Learning thought. Play is a term used in education and psychology to describe children can learn to make sense of the world around them. Play children can develop social skills, nature emotional, and gain the self-confidence required to engage in new experience and environment. Useful capability, logic, conclusion, handle abstraction, thinking and reasoning mathematical. Logic reason. Logic reason is essential to problem solving. It is a logic essential problem solving, which is a stone of the success development of the logic reasoning in children at an early age help improve mental operations and in the successful. Mathematical games, puzzles, and stories to develop a positive attitude to make connection with the mathematics and everyday thinking, identifying, expressing, explaining pattern on estimations. Two, in which a student pursue real strategy for the joyful learning of the mathematics. Learning occurs through play rather than through a dedicated communication, encouraging children to use language to freely express one's thought. Positive thinking is mental attitude. Situation in the children as younger as 5 are able to the principle of positive thinking. Children get better at understanding positive thinking. Regression. Regression through the mathematics. Make the mathematics classroom a place for recreation and fun. Children like fun relating number and the quantity. As number are the abstract, they have to present it to the learner concretely by the representing them using different possible reality in the real world. A strong number. Science help build a foundation for mathematics understanding. Focusing on the number since in the younger grades help building the foundation necessary to compute and solve more complex problems. Develop develop realistic and the real life related problem solving. Everyone face problem. If the children find the solution to their problem in the mathematics class, they will really love it. For example, measurement of lamp, props, and conversion of the different measurement. Child is able to solve problem on their own. They will appear more confident and more independent. It is important when teaching children problem solving skills from and easy. Teaching must give importance to learning experience for each student. Teacher must try to relate content objective with abstract topic. Teacher may use mathematics, games, riddle, a story, etc. in order to create curiosity among students. Teacher must use various teaching learning methods like chart, flashcard, playing card, object, model, etc. Teacher may organize quiz, debate, workshop, etc. for the mathematics. Application of the mathematical task. Textbook exercise, problems, clues problem, challenges, sums, non-routine problem, open-ended problem, applied real-world problem, mathematical investigation, short open-ended problem. A mathematical problem is a problem that can be the presented, analyzed, possible, solved with the method of mathematics. This can be real world problem, such as the compute the orbit of the planet in the solar system. Component of joyful learning, mathematics laboratory, mathematics library, mathematics club, mathematics exhibition, excursion, mathematics games and puzzles, teaching learning material. Mathematics exhibition are organized at the school to help the student understand mathematics more intellectually. The main objective mathematics exhibitions to build different mathematical skills. Teaching should be Teaching should encourage a student to collect a picture when life history information of great mathematician. Teacher may relate life situation to mathematics. Teacher may minimize distance between the mathematics principle and their applications. Teacher must provide opportunity to learn through the heuristic. Teacher must encourage a student to take independent decisions. Teacher may not interrupt in creative expression of the students. Mathematics is one of main subject of our life. Information on math help a student make better choice throughout everyday life. It helps make life simple. The financial area is identified with math. Role of teacher in joyful teaching learning. Role of teacher in classroom teaching. Role of teacher is preparation and use of teaching learning material. Role of teacher in forming and utilizing mathematics, games, puzzle, etc. Role of teacher in mathematics laboratory. Role of teacher in planning and executing excursion and exhibition. Role of teacher for arranging mathematics club. Role of teacher for arranging mathematics library. Role of teacher in assignment. Some quantity of the good teacher include a skill communication, listening, collaboration, adaptable, and the emphasize. Other characteristic of the effective teacher include an engaging classroom presence, value in real world learning, exchange of best practice, and a lifelong love of teaching. Thank you, all of you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Teacher, uh, okay, teacher, sending the link. Please wait.
आया।
Sulakshana ma'am, please mute yourself.